Welcome to our channel today. Let's tackle Aspiration Bank transfer problems and walk through a straightforward step-by-step guide to resolve them efficiently. Welcome to our channel. When you encounter transfer problems with Aspiration Bank, it can be frustrating, but there are clear steps you can follow to get your transactions back on track. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and your device is updated, as connectivity issues or outdated apps can cause transfer errors. Next, verify that your Aspiration Bank app is updated to the latest version in the App Store. Outdated versions often lead to transaction failures. Then double-check the details of your transfer, including recipient information, routing numbers, and amounts. Any small mistake here can cause the transfer not to process properly. After confirming the information is correct, go to your app's transaction history to see if the transfer is pending, successful, or failed. If it is pending, give it some time, as transfers can sometimes take a little longer. For failed transfers, note any error messages displayed. These can indicate specific issues like insufficient funds, daily limits, or technical glitches. If the issue is insufficient balance, be sure to fund your account before trying again. If daily limits are exceeded, you may need to wait until the next day or contact customer service for technical glitches. Restarting your app or device can sometimes resolve temporary problems. Another step is to check Aspiration Bank's status for any ongoing outages or maintenance which can impact transfer functions. You can do this by visiting their official website or social media channels. If these steps don't solve the problem, use the app's support feature or contact Aspiration Bank's customer service directly through phone, email, or live chat. Provide them with the details of your transfer attempt and any error messages to get tailored help throughout this process. Keep your personal information secure and avoid sharing your passwords. Ensure you are using only official Aspiration Bank channels to communicate, and never share sensitive information with unknown sources. By following these detailed steps, you increase the likelihood of quickly resolving any transfer problems with Aspiration Bank.